Welcome back to Investosphere, the channel where smart strategies meet real results. If you're someone who's looking for a legit online income stream that's scalable, profitable, and doesn't require constant hustle, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into one of the most underrated business models that's exploding in 2025, selling pre-made websites. Now, I'm not talking about building custom websites from scratch for clients. That's a service business. I'm talking about creating or sourcing high-converting, ready-to-use websites and flipping them for profit again and again. This is a digital real estate play, but better. Less overhead, more automation, and incredibly high margins. In this detailed guide, we'll cover everything you need to know: how to build or find sellable websites, how to find hungry buyers, how to price them, where to sell them, how to scale it into a full-time income, and how to automate the entire process for true passive income. So grab your coffee, clear your distractions, and let's dive deep into this powerful digital opportunity. 1. What are pre-made websites? Definition: ready-to-launch websites with preloaded themes, content, and basic SEO. Difference between pre-made sites and custom development. Niches where pre-made websites work best: affiliate marketing, local businesses, e-commerce, SaaS templates. Why this model works in 2025: low startup cost, high scalability, huge demand. Real examples of pre-made websites that sold for $300 to $2,000 each. 2. Choosing profitable niches. High-converting niches: real estate, health, finance, pets, digital services, fitness. Micro niches versus broad niches. Pros and cons. Tools to research niche demand: Google Trends, SEMrush, Flippa, Reddit. Avoiding saturated niches with low resale value. Picking niches with high affiliate commission or service potential. 3. Building or buying pre-made websites. 2 approaches: build it yourself or buy ready-made from creators. Platforms for building: WordPress, Shopify, Webflow. Tools and themes: Elementor, Astra, Debutify, or Webflow templates. Buying websites from Motion Invest, Flippa, Brandbucket, ODYS, Sitefy. Pros and cons of each approach. 4. Designing websites that actually sell. Key features buyers look for: mobile-friendly, fast-loading, clean layout. Adding dummy content that matches the niche: blog posts, about page, contact. Integrating SEO basics: titles, meta descriptions, keyword content. Mock branding: logo, color palette, niche-specific images. Creating a professional appearance that looks turnkey. 5. Pricing your websites strategically. Pricing tiers: starter websites $199 to $499, intermediate $500 to $999, premium $1,000+. Factors that increase value: domain quality, SEO optimization, included traffic, unique design. Offering upsells: maintenance package, custom domain, logo bundle. How to create perceived value with scarcity and bonuses. Tools to estimate resale value: Empire Flipper's valuation tool, Flippa pricing guide. 6. Where and how to sell. Top marketplaces: Flippa, Empire Flippers, Motion Invest, site projectors. Creating listings that sell: persuasive copy, screenshots, performance highlights. Using Facebook groups, Reddit, LinkedIn, indie hackers to find niche buyers. Cold outreach to small business owners in specific niches. Email templates for pitching your pre-made websites. Creating your own website as a digital storefront. 7. Marketing and branding your website business. Building a personal or business brand. Using content marketing: YouTube, Medium, Twitter threads. Running Facebook and Google ads targeting business owners. Leveraging testimonials and social proof. Building an email list of buyers and leads. 8. Automating the process. Setting up standard templates for different niches. Using AI like ChatGPT for content generation. Automating handover using website transfer tools. Using Trello or Notion for client order tracking. Outsourcing design and content to freelancers, Upwork, Fiverr. 9. Scaling to $5,000 to $20,000 a month. Creating bulk niche site packages for sale. Launching your own store with subscription-based website models. Partnering with digital agencies to resell your websites. Creating online courses or ebooks teaching others. Outsourcing everything. You just manage sales and branding. 10. Mistakes to avoid. Selling poor quality or unoptimized websites. Not researching niche demand before building. Overpricing low-value websites. Ignoring buyer feedback and failing to improve templates. Not offering support after the sale, which builds trust. 11. Case studies and real-life example. Case: how a freelancer turned $100 site builds into $5,000 a month income. A stay-at-home mom making $300 to $700 site flipping to local businesses. A team of 2 created a subscription model for real estate websites. What these success stories have in common: systems, niche-focused branding. 12. Bonus: create a lead generation funnel. Use lead magnets. Free ebooks like Top 10 Niches for Website Flipping. Set up a simple landing page with ConvertKit or System.io. Offer free consultations or audits to upsell your websites. Retarget visitors with Facebook Pixel or Google Ads. Build recurring revenue with support hosting plans. So there you have it, an in-depth step-by-step roadmap to start, grow, and scale a profitable business selling pre-made websites. Whether you're just getting started online or you're an experienced freelancer looking for a new revenue stream, this model offers one of the most accessible and scalable paths to real digital income. Now, before we wrap up, let's flip the script. Let me ask you, if you could sell just 2 websites per week, how would that extra income change your life? What niche would you dominate if you had the right tools and strategy? What's stopping you from launching your first website today? Drop your answers in the comments. I genuinely want to hear your thoughts. If this video gave you value, take just 5 seconds to help us out. Like this video, it helps the algorithm show it to more people. Comment below what niche you'd start with. Subscribe to Investosphere for weekly videos that unlock the best online income models. This is Investosphere, your home for smart money strategies, digital growth, and total financial freedom. See you in the next one.